In this episode, we are looking at the best PC case on the market for every price range. Through extensive research, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's performance price or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like, video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Aerocool Cyclone case. A removable PSU dust filter and a top panel magnetic dust filter provide an easy to clean feature, while the magnetic design makes it simple to reinstall after the process. Users can find USB ports, audio and mic ports, and an SD card reader on the case. It supports liquid cooling, with the option for users to install a 120mm radiator at the front or opt for an air cooling option with support for fans at the rear, top, and front, and an RGA fan. The case provides space for two 3.5-inch HDDs and three 2.5-inch HDDs SSDs. Lian Li Lancool 2 Mesh RGB LAN 2 MRW case. The honeycomb vent design of this case is beautiful to view and offers a premium look. In addition to this appealing look, the design also promotes excellent airflow. It comes with built-in RGB fans and high-quality cable management features that are useful during installation. The case opens and closes with ease, and the tempered glass windows are helpful to those who need to know the state of the internal components. There are I/O ports on the top of the case so that users can connect additional devices with ease. That's all for this video. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you are new to the channel and you liked it, consider subscribing. We also do all kinds of videos like this over a number of products, all aimed to provide the best products and making purchasing decisions easier. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope everyone has a great day. And until next time, I will see you guys later.